This event today is called Impact, Making Meetings Matter. And the aim of the event is really to make sure that our clients are able to use some of the information that we give them today to really use and put into their meetings and events programs, to take best practice from other areas and also to meet other people within the industry who also have a key focus on sustainability. The guests will really benefit from talking to one another, as well as hearing about the industry and hearing about specialist knowledge within the industry. The aim is really to help and support them so that they can network, get an understanding and benchmark what they're currently doing, to ensure that they can also easily implement new ideas and have the support of a network around them.